If there's one group of creatures that has sparked more wonder, more curiosity, and mystery than almost anything else in Earth's history, it's the dinosaurs. Some people, they're all in, they believe in them, no doubt, but others, they think maybe it's just stories, myths, or exaggerations passed down over time. But wait, were they really real? Well, here's the thing, this isn't about belief. It's not about what you think might be true. It's about what we know, and what we can prove. And the truth, dinosaurs did exist. That's a fact. A fact backed by thousands of fossils, bones, teeth, even footprints, found across the world. These fossils, hidden deep beneath the earth for millions of years, tell us a story, not just any story, a story of ancient giants, creatures that once ruled this planet long before we came along. Dinosaurs first appeared about 230 million years ago. Now, imagine Earth back then, totally different. The continents weren't split like today. Instead, they were all connected, one massive landmass called Pangea. This time period, it's called the Mesozoic era, and it's split into three parts: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. Each of those periods saw different dinosaurs appear, evolve, dominate, and eventually disappear. So where did these creatures come from? Well, they didn't just pop up out of nowhere. Long before the big dinos, there were smaller reptiles, fast, sharp-eyed little things called archosaurs. Think, a mix between crocodiles and birds. Over millions of years, thanks to natural selection and evolution, some of those archosaurs began to change, and slowly, the first dinosaurs were born. They started out small, but they didn't stay small for long. One of the most amazing things about dinosaurs is how different they were. Some were tiny, like the size of a rabbit, or even a chicken, but others, enormous. We're talking 30 meters long, over 70 tons heavy. Just imagine standing next to something like that. And it wasn't just their size, their diets were different too. Some were gentle giants, plant eaters like the long-necked Brachiosaurus, calmly chewing leaves high in the trees. Or the horned Triceratops, moving in herds across ancient plains. But others, they were predators, built for hunting, strong jaws, razor-sharp teeth, and the king of them all, Tyrannosaurus rex, huge, fast, deadly. It had one of the most powerful bites in the entire animal kingdom. And then there were the ones built for defense. Armor-plated skin, spikes, horns, clubs for tails. These dinosaurs weren't just big, they were battle-ready. Some of them could run up to 70 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars in city traffic. In the sky, it wasn't safe either. Flying reptiles like the pterosaurs soared above, feathered dinosaurs like Archaeopteryx, with wings, claws, and feathers, blurred the line between bird and reptile. Some even swam. Yep, dinosaurs adapted to land, air, and water. They were everywhere, and they were incredible, not just massive. They were specialized, intelligent, in their own way. Some had incredible eyesight, others, sharp hearing. Some hunted in packs, others cared for their young. And today, scientists can figure all that out, just by studying their skeletons, how they walked, how they breathed, how they lived, and how they died. But here's the big mystery: what happened to them? How could something so powerful, so dominant, just disappear? Well, scientists have wondered that too. The most widely accepted answer: a disaster. A massive one. Around 66 million years ago, right at the end of the Cretaceous period, something big, and I mean really big, hit the Earth. An asteroid. It slammed into the planet near what's now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The explosion, it was beyond anything we can truly imagine. Firestorms, earthquakes, tsunamis. Then, darkness, dust, and ash filled the sky, blocking out the sun. And without sunlight, the world changed fast. Temperatures dropped, plants died, and when the plants went, so did the plant-eating dinosaurs. And without them, the meat-eaters had nothing left. The entire food chain just collapsed. Within a few years, they were gone. This event is known as the Cretaceous Paleogene Extinction Event. It wiped out more than 75% of life on Earth, including every single dinosaur that wasn't a bird. But that's not the only theory. Some scientists think massive volcanic eruptions in what's now India made things worse, releasing toxic gases, heating up the planet, then cooling it down again. Other factors, like falling sea levels or changes in oxygen, may have played a role too, but that asteroid, that's still the #1 suspect, and the fossil record backs it up. Now, here's a twist in the story you might not expect: dinosaurs. They're not all gone. In fact, they're still here right now, because birds, yes, birds, are the direct descendants of feathered dinosaurs. That means your everyday pigeon, a hawk, even a chicken, they're basically living dinosaurs. They still carry the bones, the lungs. Some behaviors passed down over millions of years. So even though we lost the T-Rex, its legacy still flying over our heads. This whole story, the rise, the reign, the fall of dinosaurs, teaches us so much. It shows us how life can change, how species can rule the earth, and then vanish in the blink of a cosmic eye. It reminds us how fragile the balance of life is, how fast it can all shift. It also inspires, because every time a fossil is pulled from the ground, it's not just a rock, it's a voice, a clue. A message from a world that once was. Today, when scientists uncover bones, when they see footprints frozen in stone, they're not just digging up ancient dirt. They're uncovering secrets of lost ecosystems, forgotten creatures, ancient stories buried deep in time. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their story, it still shapes how we understand evolution, extinction, and the ever-changing history of life on Earth.